Great question. I love DIYs. FYI, hop over to my other TikTok channel called Plant to Palm Creations. I make natural room air fresheners, mermaid spray, tick repellent spray, lice spray, lots of good stuff. But anyway, here's one great recipe for a DIY room air freshener. I like to add alcohol into it and whatever essential oils I love. And I'm all about floral, clean, fresh smelling, pretty flowers. So that's like an 8-ounce spray bottle. I do about 70% water, about 10% alcohol, and then load up the essential oils and spray. I spray the curtains, I spray the couch, I spray the butt area of the couch, if you know what I'm talking about, when people sit on it for too long. Okay. Anyway, head over to my other TikTok channel. Thanks.